Tired of complicated payment methods and waiting forever to get paid? Let's dive into how to easily receive money on PayPal, making online payments a breeze. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need a PayPal account. Head to PayPal.com and click Sign Up. Choose either a personal or business account based on how you intend to use PayPal. For most people, a personal account is perfect for receiving payments from friends, family, or for selling items. Occasionally, a business account is better suited if you're running a business and need features like invoicing. Follow the prompts to enter your information, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure to verify your email address after signing up. Now, to receive money, you'll need to give the sender your PayPal email address or your PayPal link. To find your PayPal link, log into your account and look for the Get Paid or Request Money option. You can personalize your link to make it easy to remember and share. When someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification via email, and within your PayPal account, you can then choose to keep the money in your PayPal balance, use it for online purchases, or transfer it to your linked bank account. To link a bank account, go to the Wallet section, select Link a Bank, and follow the instructions. This allows you to easily withdraw your funds. Remember to keep your PayPal account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. And that's it. Receiving money on PayPal is a straightforward process that simplifies online transactions and puts you in control of your finances. Now you can get paid quickly, securely, and efficiently.